Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank you all for spending your time and effort to participate in these sessions. We believe that these sessions are technical and interactive and started yesterday. And today we are gracing this occasion to launch Malawi-NOG. The conversation about launching Malawi-NOG started probably a couple of years ago in 2022. And as Macra, we are happy to see the birth of another organization that is going to bring the technical community together to exchange knowledge, experiences, and also network in order to boost the digitization and the quality of our internet services in the country. The number of technical points that I think we are all aware of from yesterday's session. One of the big items that we need to be aware of and participating, especially to the service providers, is about peering. Peering is a critical issue for the quality of internet services in Malawi. We currently have Malawi Internet Exchange, and we believe that the services of Malawi Internet Exchange point can be boosted by, number one, migrating the Internet Exchange from where it is to a more resilient location at the National Data Center managed or hosted by ESCOM. We believe this will provide resilience, and we are looking forward that all operators are able to come hastily to this Malawi Internet Exchange point. The migration has been scheduled to start from the 9th of September, and please put this on your schedules. And on the same 9th of September, the Lilongwe Internet Exchange point will also start installations at the OCL Data Center. The OCL Data Center and the National Data Center are high-quality data centers that will ably manage all the resilience needed to make these internet exchange points serve their purpose and the needs of the operators. Beyond this point, there is conversations that we need as technical people to address. Number one, we need to address security on these networks. We need to address DNSSEC validation on these networks. Currently, as a country, we are not doing very well. We need to address this. Secondly, we have latency issues on our networks. We need to bring in all the tools that are necessary to optimize the quality of these networks. And we also need to improve the caching on these networks, and peering at the exchange points is very, very critical. We also have, in the past 3 months, LionX, an exchange point in Lilongwe. Currently, I think it has 3 peers. I think there is more ISPs with presence in Lilongwe that can easily connect at this exchange point as well. We also need organizations to come to these exchange points, especially the financial services providers, so that we can improve the quality of financial services. We also need to address caching. Currently, caching is being done in silos. TNM has a cache, Airtel have a cache. We believe that if these caches come to the exchange points, they will not only benefit the big guys, but also everybody else will benefit at these exchange points. And we also believe that in your network, if your network is big enough, you should start thinking of creating your own local caches based on traffic that is localized in Zuzu, in Mangochi, in Karonga, in these locations where you see huge traffic. You should be able to set up a local cache for these so that we can localize our traffic and improve the quality of service that currently is very bad. The quality of service, everybody knows in this room, is not where it should be. And we need to start having honest conversations about the quality of service. This starts with the quality of skills in the room. We need to start doing all that we can to improve the quality of skills. We have a lot of students that have come into these sessions from different universities, and Macra is helping them to attend these sessions and learn. We believe that the operators in this room have the power to bring in more students on attachment basis into their environments so that they can bridge the gap that is there from their academic qualifications to getting them understand what is practically happening in the technical spaces that we come from, and probably they can help us improve the skills that we have in our environments. At this point, I have addressed all the key areas of interest that we believe are important for this session and are important for the quality of service and digitization drive that we are key to in this country. With these few remarks, I would like to say thank you for listening and have a very fruitful training sessions, networking sessions, and friendships should start here. That should help us have very good internet workspaces in Malawi. Thank you very much.